Hey guys, it's Connor here again, and today there's like a really big storm or something coming. For some reason it's snowing, which I'm mad about. Yes, very mad about snow. Curse you, sky. But yeah, so it was really windy. But now that I started making a video, it's like, I don't want to be on YouTube. That's what the wind basically said to me. I don't want to be on YouTube. That's what the wind said. But yeah, shut up, Ava. I'm trying to make a YouTube video. But yeah, it's actually really windy, but you can't really tell that much. So I'm going to set the camera down real fast. Okay, the camera is outside now, hanging out my window, hanging out my window. But yeah, it's just like getting windy and stuff. So let me get back inside. And right when I was about to go back inside, it got windy. Wait, can you hear the wind? Turn up your volume if you can't. I swear, it's like loud. But let me get back inside. Okay, back inside, out from the cold. But yeah, that's... Holy frick. Holy crap. This tree right here is going crazy. Holy crap. I swear. There's gotta be like a blizzard. Oh, frick. Holy crap. Let me open this window. Yep, there's a blizzard. Holy crap, it's windy, guys. Holy crap. Whew. It just got really windy. Okay, be right back, guys. And right when I'm about to go back inside, holy crap. Woo. Frick. I know you guys probably don't know how windy it is, but it's really windy. I don't think I'm gonna even be able to come back inside now, because of the fact that every time I'm about to go inside, it gets windy. Like, look, I was just about to, in my head, I was thinking, I'm gonna get inside now. But then a big gust of wind comes. So I'm just gonna kind of stick my tablet closer inside, because there's a temperature warning. Oh, crap. Okay, I think I'm gonna do it. Let's get back inside. Okay, we're back. And it gets windy again. Oh, what the frick, wind? And I think we're done with this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.